Hello, Nick. It's Sunday.
2, 3, 4.
Nick, I'm glad to hear you talking about you getting a summer job. And to be honest, a summer camp counselor is a job that I think you would be well suited for. Because you're nice, you're strong, you're handsome, you can hit baseballs, and you can catch baseballs. But really, I think it's a good idea because you have a natural affinity for working with children. Young kids seem to really gravitate toward you and kind of always have. And aside from that, I think you're good at what you do. By that I mean you're good at baseball. Your pants fit you well. In light of recent events in my own life, which may or may not be talk-aboutable yet, I think you and I should consider doing at least one gaming video. I think there's a really big audience for gaming videos, and I think we could do a pretty good one. Also, Nick, I was planning on bringing shower music with Neil back, so I think I'd like to put up a poll on our Facebook page for requests. So if you go to facebook.com/voneinst, you will find that poll, and you can put your requests in to make Neil and I play the song that you want to hear in the shower. I'll see you tomorrow.